In this episode, we are tearing down the Jinlang G35 engine. Previously, we stripped down their Likere 350 engine. It felt pretty high quality, and market feedback on that engine has been quite positive. So, I got my hands on this 150 cubic centimeters engine to take apart. Let's look at the belt. The belt is from Gates. As for the rear drive pulley, the whole assembly is Japanese FCC. It's exactly the same as the one on the Honda 150, they really use whatever Honda uses. The Jinlang brand is a well-established engine manufacturer. They specialize exclusively in scooter engines. That's why you don't see them in the geared motorcycle market. Looking at the performance of the Likere 350, their engines are actually very stable. This is the water pump, it is driven by the camshaft. In fact, regarding this engine's structure, as you can probably tell, it's also reverse engineered. It's based on the Honda PCX 160 engine. The PCX 150 is a two-valve design. For instance, the Haojue engine is a reverse-engineered PCX 150, which is why it's a two-valve engine. Let's look at the cylinder head. It's an SOHC for valve structure. It uses roller rocker arms. The rockers are the same as Honda's. They are produced by Jinlang. The camshaft also features a decompression valve. Give it a spin and you should be able to see it. The bearings are from CNU, just like Honda. Let's check the cylinder. The sleeve is a spiny sleeve cast iron liner, wrapped in an aluminum outer shell. This helps with heat dissipation. The piston crown uses a microarc oxidation process. It's fully coated in molybdenum disulfide, $MOS_2. The piston is manufactured by Jinlang. The piston rings are East Asia PVD-coated rings. Jinlang's engine assembly quality is also quite good. To put it simply, if the bolt torque wasn't uniform, you would feel it immediately during disassembly. This is the kind of thing that doesn't translate well over video. You can only feel it while taking the machine apart. If you've watched this far, please give the video a like. This 150 also has no starter motor. It relies on a pulse start, ACG. This has become standard on many scooters now. Basically, the stator and magneto are designed as a brushless motor. It handles both starting and power generation. It can even provide electric power assistance to the engine. The compression ratio of this engine is 10.6 to 1. The bore is 57.3 mm. The stroke is 57.9 mm. Max power is 10.5 kilowatts. Max torque is 13.5 Nm. Now for the timing chain. Let's check the brand of the timing chain. It's a reinforced chain from Choho. Joint venture Hondas also use Choho timing chains. Splitting the crankcase now. Let's check the crankshaft bearings. Looking at the lettering, these are also CNU. Domestic Honda, Yamaha, and Haojue all use CNU bearings. Chanjiang and Lansan do too. I was actually curious about this. According to the latest info, after 2022, CNU upgraded their equipment and improved their technical processes. They even collaborated with KTM. Let's look at the gearbox. There isn't much to see inside the gearbox. Just some gears and a few more bearings. Since Honda uses CNU, and Jinlang likes to replicate them, all of these bearings are CNU as well. Alright, the teardown is complete. As you can see, Jinlang's benchmark is clearly Honda. So the materials and the structure are all modeled after Honda. The Likere 350 engine is indeed very stable. This engine likely won't have any issues either.